how to fix voice chat not working in Fortnite on PS5. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to go into settings. Now scroll down until you see accessories. Here you want to click on controller and make sure the controller software is up to date. So here we're just going to click on it, and if the latest version is already installed, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening up Fortnite. Now once you are inside Fortnite, you want to press on the options button here on your controller. Then we are just going to go into settings. So click on settings. Here you want to navigate to the third option, which is going to be voice chat, and make sure this is turned on for everybody and that it's not turned off. Once you have verified this, then you can also make sure that voice chat method is set to open mic, which basically means that voice chat is going to constantly work. And if it still doesn't work, the very last thing that I suggest doing is going to be checking if your microphone is muted. As you can see, currently I muted it by pressing on this button. If it's lit up orange and you click on it, then this is going to enable your mic and it's going to let you talk in PS5 Fortnite. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.